Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your PC. Windows operating system is Windows 11. Now I am going to show you how to reset PC without data loss. Open run and type here control, hit enter. Now click on category, click select large icon, click on recovery. Now click on this last option. Okay. After this, now you see here reset option, reset PC. Now click on reset. Okay. After this, now check options here. Keep my file and remove everything. Be careful that select keep my file option. Don't select remove everything. Okay. After this, getting ready. Okay. Now select here local reinstall. Okay. Now click on this option. After this, click on next. Now you see. Now click on next. Check here. There is the option to download latest image. Click on next. Okay. Now getting thing ready. Please wait while take a time. Okay. Now wait for complete this process. Okay. Now ready to reset this PC. Be careful. Read all things after do this. Okay. Now click on reset. Now preparing to reset. This process take a time 10 to 20 minutes. When complete this 100%. Okay. Now I am little short this video for save time. Okay. After completing 100%, PC will be restart. Okay. Now PC will be restart. Please wait. Now you see on screen option is resetting this PC. Okay. This process also 100% complete. Okay. Now resetting this PC 99% is complete. PC will be restart. Now preparing Windows. Now installation started. PC will restart many times. Okay. Now you see. Wait for complete this process. Installing 100%. Okay. After this process complete. Now you check here. Installation is going on. Okay. Just check here. Now PC will restart. Okay. Getting thing ready to for you. Please wait. Okay. Now this might take a few minutes for complete process. Now you see almost here. PC will be resetted successfully. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.